Hello everyone, in this video we will draw and label the scheme of the epididymids. A head of epididymis is formed by very convoluted efferent ductules of testes, also called ductuli efferentes testes, which came from the rete testes and empty into one duct of epididymis. Ductuli efferentes testes are lined by one layer of different cells from small basal cells and shorter cuboidal cells with microvilli, which increase the apical surface for better absorption the testicular fluid produced by the spermatogenic epithelium. And there are also columnar cells, ciliated cells, and another layer of cuboidal cells with microvilli and columnar cells with cilia. The cilia facilitate the transport of the sperm cells, and the lining of the efferent ductules of testes is folded appearance due to the unequal height epithelial layer. So this appearance is folded. Yeah, with cilia in the taller cells. I'm drawing a nuclei of these cells. So this is the head of epididymis, but body of the epididymis is formed by one long duct of epididymis with multiple convolutions called ductus epididymidis. It's lined with pseudostratified columnar epithelium with nuclei arranged usually in two levels. So, but the columnar cells, taller cells, have a similar height. On the apical surface of the taller cells, you can find stereocilia. Stereocilia are branched variation of microvilli. The stereocilia have a proton pump. They ensure acid environment inside the lumen of the duct. Acidic environment stop the mobility of the sperm cells to prevent the depletion of their energy storage. So this is the duct of epididymids. So the lumen is the similar everywhere with the stereocilia inside. So it's a different head of epididymids and body of the epididymids. Beneath the epithelium is the lamina propria, a thin layer of loose connective tissue. This is around the epithelium, around the lumen. Next layer is the muscle layer from smooth muscle cells, which are circularly arranged. Spindle shape of smooth muscle cells. With spindle shaped nuclei. And the last layer is also loose connective tissue called adventitia. And adventitia passing into the connective tissue inside the epididymis. With all, of course, with blood vessels and nerves. So now we labeled the scheme. Here you can see efferent ductus, efferent ductus, also called ductuli, efferentes, testis, which are lined by ciliated columnar epithelium and shorter cuboidal epithelium with microvilli. Here it's one duct, but from the many cross section, but only one duct of the epididymis with pseudo stratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia thin layer lamina propria, circular smooth muscle cells, and loose connective tissue, interstitial. So that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.